Hi, today we're talking about student progress report form. So basically, this is a student progress report template that can be used to monitor the student's progress. So if you see, we have got certain fields over here which we can fill in, and then we can see how the response gets captured. So let me take you to the very top, and you can see under the responses view next to the form, we have captured the responses over here, which is showing in the first row. Okay. So for this to work, what we need to do is we need to go to the form builder, click on share form, and then we need to click on copy form link. Okay. So this will copy the link of the particular form which we are using, and we need to expose this form link to the particular person who is going to fill out the form. So as we expose this link, then the person can fill out all the form details from here, and everything gets captured onto the student progress form report. So let me quickly fill in some of the details over here, and then we are going to understand how we're going to proceed further. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly fill in, and now I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, my response has now been submitted. So if I go back to the progress form, you can see under the responses, the response gets submitted, and I can see the particular response being captured over here. So this is how you can take help of student progress report form to start capturing the responses from the students. So basically, this is completely editable and customizable as per your needs. This is just a sample template file which has been presented to you. You can obviously play around with all the fields as per your preference. I would also like to take this opportunity to talk about PDF output. PDF output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion page as a source of template file where you can define the entire PDF document, and it requires a Notion database which acts as a source of database which is used to fetch the contents of the Notion page and generate documents in bulk. You can watch this video of how I've exactly done the same for invoices which I've added at the bottom, but you can essentially replicate this process for any purpose for your needs. Okay. So please do check out PDF Output if you're looking for bulk PDF automation. And you can certainly reach out to me at Notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.